Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. You'll find the cabin air filter housing behind the glove box on the passenger side of your car. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your car's air quality. Once the glove box is empty, carefully remove the small dampener arm or stopper clips located on each side. These usually just unclip or slide off with a little pressure. After detaching these, the glove box will swing down further, giving you access to the cabin air filter housing. This housing is typically a rectangular plastic cover that's easy to spot. Now, unclip the 2 or 3 retaining clips that hold the filter housing cover in place. Once the cover is off, you can gently pull out the old cabin air filter. Notice its condition. It's often quite dirty. Take your new filter and ensure the airflow arrow on its side points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. This is crucial for proper air circulation. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover and snap all the clips back into position securely. Then, carefully lift the glove box back into its original position, reattaching the dampeners or stopper clips on both sides. Close the glove box, and you're all done. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.